So it's been a while since I've talked about CPUs and GPUs and all that. Well, since CES happened, a new CPU from the one and only AMD was announced, which is the all-new 8000 series. Now, there were a whole bunch of new things announced, like new chips for their older boards, such as the AM4 socket, but this chip we're going to be looking at is something interesting. Now, I'm going to put a screenshot of all the information you need to know about these new chips from the 8000 series, but there's only two chips we're going to be looking at, well, mostly one, which is the Ryzen 7 A700G. Now, this chip is a beast of a chip. Now, obviously, something that's similar to this chip is probably the Ryzen 5 A600G, but what makes these two chips interesting is the graphics that it has in the chip. Now, what makes this chip more unique than, for example, Intel chips is that it integrates AI and basically boosts your graphics in gaming. Now, this is going to be a photo of what is claimed by AMD at the moment, how this chip performs by just using integrated graphics in games, and so far this looks insane. I mean, this chip basically is all you need to build your own gaming PC without having to spend so much money on a GPU. Now, what makes this chip more unique is that not only does it have all this performance, but the fact that they are using AI and even still using RDNA, I believe that's the name of it, 3, it's just insane. I mean, the fact that AMD has been putting so much work into their chips to not only make it easier for customers to have a gaming experience and at a cheaper price, but also this new chip is revolutionizing just if you really need to get a GPU. If you are, for example, someone that is just wanting to find a CPU or just want to build a very first gaming PC, for example, but don't really have enough money to get a high-end GPU, this chip is going to replace that, because not only is it going to be well known for obviously your desktop, but this chip is going to be seen more with laptops, which means you're going to see more laptops with this type of chip being more affordable for a wider audience and basically making it easier for you to game. Now, obviously this chip, well, from what we know, is with this Ryzen 7 A700G, it is set to price at $329, which is a bit of a pricey price point, really, compared to the likes where this thing can be kind of matched to a Series S, Xbox Series S. But obviously this thing can do more than just game, it can do more things, such as running Adobe, Blender, and so much more, which is nice to have. And that is all obviously capable of because of the NPU that it has. And basically uses AI to help with that. That's what the NPU is. But let me know in the comments below, do you think this chip could revolutionize the whole gaming scene for newcomers to the gaming scene where it comes to building a PC and trying to save money while making a system that can handle games at a different frame rate? And do you think this chip can revolutionize the laptop scene as well? Guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.